iUNIK's Beta Glucan Power Moisture Serum is a total hydration balm that's getting rave reviews. It's packed with 98% beta glucan from mushrooms, plus glycerin, panthenol, allantoin, and botanical extracts. Basically, it's like a drink of water for your skin. This serum delivers deep, long lasting moisture that's even better than hyaluronic acid. It's a soothing superstar, calming redness and irritation while keeping skin comfy and supple. This serum's benefits are on point. It gives you deep hydration perfect for dry or sensitive skin, soothes and calms irritation and redness, feels lightweight and non greasy, strengthens your skin's natural barrier. Use it after cleansing and toning. Pat a few drops in morning or night and lock it in with a moisturizer. It might be too thick for oily skin, but if you need intense moisture and barrier repair, this serum's a solid pick.